What is up, all you awesome people? Depending on when you see this video, today or tomorrow, November 16th, is my birthday. And my birthday's never really been about me. It's about the people that are in my life. And you are in my life. So I thought, why not do a little art appreciation and art review of your submitted artwork? We're going to do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to try my best to set up a public Dropbox link where you can put your art in there. All I recommend is just title the art whatever your YouTube username is, so that way you can watch the stream or go back and watch the VOD and see what I say about it. We're gonna go over the appreciation of the art. I wanna see what you've been creating. I will give some tips and tricks or just my honest feedback if you want. I think it'd be something fun that we'll do for a couple of hours. If that doesn't work, you can always submit it on Instagram or Twitter. I'll put my socials also down below. Now, if you want to get me a little something special for my birthday, you don't have to. Your subscription and support is just the world to me. But if you want to, I'm not going to push back. Just become a YouTube member on this channel so that way you get some value out of it for yourself. Or you can always buy my PDF starter painter set. That's also a good way to help support me. But other than that, I'm going to see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. my time. I'm going to put a video up so that way you can click on it as a reminder in just a little bit. So if you don't see it right away, don't worry, it will be there. But hopefully I'll see you. You can wish me happy birthday, and that would mean the world to me. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Take care, and of course, peace.